Well, it's kind of a blustery day here in Edinburg, Virginia, but we've got a 2000 Jeep Wrangler. This truck has a 4-cylinder, 5-speed transmission, obviously bright yellow. It does have a 9 of 12 Virginia State inspection. The tires are in excellent condition. The top is in great shape. As you can see, the interior is zebra stripe seat covers, 5-speed transmission, and as you can hear, it does run excellent. If you have any questions about this Jeep, contact us through Facebook or at edinburgtrucks.com. Thank you very much.